Hi, welcome back to Horilla Technical Series. Today we are going to discuss how to set up bulk update option. With the bulk update option, you can update multiple items from the list view itself. For that, you need to enable bulk update option. It is by default enabled, but you want to add which are the fields you need to give. You need to update. For that, go to your code and there is a attribute bulk update which is which value default to true, and you want to if you don't want to add this, it's not important, but you want to give the bulk update fields. This is important. Bulk update fields is important. This is a list in which you want to give the field names as strings. So now I'm giving shift ID, and since this is a shift based model, so I'm giving shift ID, and I can select one more ID from here. Okay, requested date. Okay, we can select shift ID and requested date. Okay, now when we go to a web page app and it reload and reload it. When we select one item, you can see another option update here. Okay, if you select dot and when you update, we have requested shift here. We add this to monitor and the date to choosing July 2025. You can see all the shift charging to, and on the requested date is changed also. And if you want more, if you don't want to update only two, you can select them and change them, change their shift also. Okay. And one more thing is that you don't have to update both fields. Just both are not required. As if you want to only update one, then only update that also. You can see night shift and no change for this or any others. Okay, guys, that's all about bulk update. I think you understand how to implement bulk update. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment below or else reach to us at support@horilla.com. Thank you.